Hello friends, and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and this is just a demo video about controlling the virtual world self-driving car with the help of face. Okay, so this is just a demo video. In next video we are going to see all these things step by step. Okay, so let me start the code. Okay, this is what our game car is moving forward. As you can see, now it stopped because we need to make turn. So here, as you can see, it's tracking my face. So if I make like this way, as you can see, it's take turn, come here, again it stop. Now again my face, if I make like this way, it will make turn, again it will go forward, it will come here, again turn, it will go forward. Okay, again here I need to make like this way, it will make left turn, it will go forward, again here it will come, it stop. Until I make face like this way, it will not make turn and go forward. As you can see, it's just stop. If I do like this way, it will make turn and it will go forward. Okay, here it is also, it will stop. As you can see, my face is still straight. Okay, so if I make like this way, it will make turn, it will go forward. Here I need to make left and then it will go forward, and then here it will stop. Okay, so this is how friends you can control the virtual self-driving car with the help of your face. Okay, so this is just demo video. We are going to see all these things in our next video step by step. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.